What's going on, guys? Hilltown here. Today we're changing the passenger side low beam on a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. This process is the same for approximately 2007 to 2013 Avalanche, Tahoe, and Suburban applications. From the onset, this might seem like a pretty straightforward repair, but it's anything but, and we'll get right into it. The driver's side isn't so bad, but the passenger side here is kind of a bear. I'm going to try a new method today by taking this airbox out to access the bulb that way. In the past, I've removed the inner fender liner, and I've laid on my back under the vehicle, reach up, and if your arms are small enough, you can take the bulb out and do it that way. So what I've done is I've loosened these 4 Torx screws that hold the airbox cover in place. I've also loosened this clamp that holds the duct onto the airbox, and we're going to remove this first. And just push that duct down underneath the airbox. So now you can remove your cover. Now this lower screw here is going to want to get caught underneath your transmission cooler line. So just be aware of that when you take this off. Just flip that over. Take your filter element out. So now what I'm going to do is just lift this airbox out. There's 2 grommets, like push pin grommets in the bottom of this thing. And I'll show them to you when we lift this box out. It takes a little bit of force to get this thing out. And again, be mindful of that transmission cooler line. These are the two grommets I was telling you about. Take the box out of the way. All right, now you guys are down in the airbox looking out towards the back of the headlight assembly. So what I'm going to do is just remove this plug. There's a couple tabs on there. There we go. So now we're going to turn the old bulb counterclockwise. And remove it. Alright guys, we're going to put the new bulb in place. Whatever you do, do not touch the bulb with your bare fingers, because if you do, the oils from your skin are going to cause this bulb to burn out prematurely, and you're going to be doing this job again in no time. So you twist the bulb into place, take your plug, snap it back into position. Check your filter. If it's all crapped up, you might want to change it now. Well, after having done this, I think this is the easiest method to do this job. If you guys have found another way to do it that you think is easier, chime in the comments box. I would recommend, though, as involved as this is to change a simple headlight bulb, I'd recommend getting a good quality bulb, or maybe even a, what do you call them, xenon or LED bulbs that last a lot longer than the standard original equipment ones. Just my 2 cents anyway. Appreciate you watching. If this helped you out, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.